everybody, welcome back to another quick and easy recipe. Last time I posted this banana bread recipe, a lot of you have said that the ingredients, you guys could not see them because the recipe was too fast to follow. So here it is, I am posting this banana bread recipe again because I usually make it every week. For the banana bread, I usually let the banana sit outside for at least a week so it can be extra sweet. Even though I use the premixed banana bread, I also add all these spices that I'm showing in here. And for the spices, I use nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, almond extract, vanilla extract, eggs, carnation milk, and butter. And the amount of all these ingredients will depend on the amount of banana bread that you are baking. And when you are baking the banana bread, bake it at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Depend on your pan to make sure that it is ready. Make sure you poke the middle with a fork to make sure that the banana bread is completely ready. And if you check the banana bread, the middle is still runny, just increase the baking time. And if you are new here, my name is Claude Mart. I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Most of the recipes that I am posting on my channel, I make them using the organic seasoning blend from Le Bon Goût Seasoning. If you're interested in trying one of our ingredients, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And today, for a quick and easy recipe, I am gonna be making some pasta with a meat sauce using ground turkey. And for starters, I am gonna be seasoning the ground turkey meat using the organic mild meat seasoning from Le Bon Goût Seasoning. This meat seasoning is an all-in-one. I'm not gonna be adding no extra salt because it is a complete seasoning spice blend. After I added the meat seasoning, I completely mix it together. And after I mix it together, I'm just gonna allow it to sit so that it can fully season. In the meantime, I am gonna be cooking the pasta. When you are cooking pasta, make sure you follow the box so that you can know the cooking time. While the pasta is cooking, I'm just gonna get my other ingredients ready. I'm gonna be chopping some bell peppers and onions. I am using this vegetable chopper that I got from Amazon. This vegetable chopper makes things so easy, especially if you wanna avoid your eyes getting watery when you are cutting onions. And this is what they are looking like when it is all chopped. And this vegetable chopper also comes with different dimensions as well. I'll make sure to have it in the description below. I'm going to start making the pasta sauce and I'm going to be heating up some oil. After the oil is hot, then I'm going to add the ground turkey meat. And then we are going to cook it until it gets fully brown. We don't want to see any pink in there. After the ground turkey meat is ready, I'm going to be adding the vegetables and then mix them well until they are fully tender. In the meantime, our pasta is ready. We are simply going to drain it and run it under some cold water so we can stop the cooking time. And after our veggies are fully tender, we are going to be adding some tomato sauce. After we add the tomato sauce, I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar so I can reduce the acidity. Then I'm going to reduce the heat onto low heat, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, then the meat sauce will be ready. And here is the final look of what our meat sauce is looking like. I know at the beginning I used the organic meat seasoning from Le Bon Goût Seasoning. If you don't have this meat seasoning, please don't get discouraged on trying this recipe. You can season the ground turkey meat to your liking. Now the meat sauce is completely ready. As you can see, it has fully reduced. Now we're getting ready to serve. the final recipe. This recipe was very easy to put together. It is something that you can whip up in less than 20 minutes, especially for busy night. If you have any question, please make sure you have them below. And this is what the banana bread looks like. It is very moist. I love making this quick and easy recipe. It always comes out perfect. If you like this type of content and you are new here, please remember to subscribe to help support my channel and help me grow. This banana bread, you can have it as a dessert or you can have it for breakfast, whichever one you prefer. And for our next recipe, I'm gonna be making some Haitian bouillon. So if you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next recipe.
Cooking made easy.